Alright, so obviously you see that our door panel is already off. So if you want to learn how to do this, we actually made a video previously. So we're going to post that in this video as well. Just to give you an anatomy of this mirror right here, there's actually 3 bolts that's holding it. There's one right here, there's one behind this little rubber gasket, and then there's one where this little circular thing is. So before you do that, you actually don't have to remove everything, but we do have to unclip a couple things. You do need a tool like this. I'll also put the link below. This clip right here, there's an actual rubber clip that holds it on. I would not recommend trying to pull it out. What happens is this thing is really flimsy, so you really do need a tool like this. So what you want to do actually is get under that like this. There you go. And then you kind of pry it like that, and then it automatically comes off. Once that's off, you can see that this is revealed. Right here is another clip, and then you could actually kind of go around like this, and then it reveals the bolt right here. So we're going to go ahead and remove all of these bolts. This is going to be a 10 millimeter right here. So let's go ahead. Remove it. One right here. Make sure you don't lose your clips. And then again, just behind this rubber gasket right here. And don't worry about it falling, but it's probably a good idea for a friend of yours to be on that side to hold it, just making sure it doesn't fall. But it shouldn't fall because there's an actual clip right here that holds it at least, or in the bottom right there. We're gonna go ahead and remove this clip. So right here, it's not this right here, but it's in the inside. You push it all the way in, and then it just comes out really, really easily. For this mirror to fully come out, you do need to disassemble this. So grab your pry tool as well, get under it, and then you're just going to pry it open, just like that. And then now that this is loose, we can remove the mirror on the other side. When you pull it up, you're gonna feel some resistance, and that resistance is actually coming from this rubber gasket thing. And you just kind of push it in, and you kind of shimmy it, and then you can see that everything comes out. And just be careful, you know, don't pull anything, and just be very, very careful when you remove it. So that's how you remove the mirror. Now, to put it back, it's pretty much in reverse, but the main thing that you want to keep in mind is, you know, push this in first. It really helps to pull this out like this, so that it kind of like goes right into that hole, and then it should just come down just like that. So I'm going to leave it here. It is all the way in, so I'm not going to be scared about this coming out, because you can see that it's pretty much stationary at this point. Move to the other side. And we're going to clip this back in, and then this thing is going to clip in. There's going to be a big sound, so make sure you hear that sound. And then we're going to go ahead and put all the bolts back on the other side. There we go. Don't over tighten. From the back part, if you remember. Make sure that this isn't obviously flimsy. If it is flimsy, then you need to tighten it just a little bit more. So once that's done, remember that clip that we removed back here. You're gonna just kind of guide it, and then it's gonna go back in. All right guys, so that pretty much sums up on how to remove and also put back your mirror. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel. We come out with videos every single Monday. And until then, I guess you should probably drive with a mirror, but who knows?